Do you want to sound like a real French speaker? Today we are diving into 25 simple and powerful phrases using
Tu vas.
that means you are going in French. You are going to love this.
Tu vas. Tu vas.
You are going.
Tu vas où? Tu vas où?
You are going where?
Tu vas à l'école. Tu vas à l'école.
You are going to school.
Tu vas au travail. Tu vas au travail.
You are going to work.
Tu vas en France. Tu vas en France.
You are going to France.
Tu vas chez le médecin. Tu vas chez le médecin.
You are going to doctor's place.
Tu vas chez moi. Tu vas chez moi.
You are going to my place.
Tu vas à la fête. Tu vas à la fête.
You are going to the party.
Tu vas visiter la tour Eiffel. Tu vas visiter la tour Eiffel.
You are going to visit the Eiffel Tower.
Tu vas manger maintenant. Tu vas manger maintenant.
You are going to eat now.
Tu vas apprendre le français. Tu vas apprendre le français.
You are going to learn French.
Tu vas faire du shopping. Tu vas faire du shopping.
You are going shopping.
Tu vas prendre le bus. Tu vas prendre le bus.
You are going to take the bus.
Tu vas aimer cette vidéo. Tu vas aimer cette vidéo.
You are going to like this video.
Tu vas faire la cuisine. Tu vas faire la cuisine.
You are going to cook.
Tu vas regarder un film. Tu vas regarder un film.
You are going to watch a movie.
Tu vas étudier. Tu vas étudier.
You are going to study.
Tu vas te reposer. Tu vas te reposer.
You are going to rest.
Tu vas à la pharmacie. Tu vas à la pharmacie.
You are going to the pharmacy.
Tu vas parler français. Tu vas parler français.
You are going to speak French.
Tu vas m'écouter. Tu vas m'écouter.
You are going to listen to me.
Tu vas ouvrir la porte. Tu vas ouvrir la porte.
You are going to open the door.
Tu vas fermer la porte. Tu vas fermer la porte.
You are going to close the door.
Tu vas boire de l'eau. Tu vas boire de l'eau.
You are going to drink water. Question time. Translate these phrases in French. Number 1. You are going to work. Number 2. You are going to eat. Number 3. You are going to the pharmacy. You are going to France. If you can answer all these questions, that means you are ready for the next lesson. Thanks for watching.